Good morning, hi, and hello. If you see aprons, RC, and me, it means we're in for some serious cooking. Serious? Why serious? Because you wrapped yourself up twice?
We have 5 viral recipes from TikTok. RC starts, then me next. We'll take turns, help each other out, but most importantly, it's going to be tasty, simple, and right on point. Let's go, let's go.
Thanks. Wait, dude, he's grabbing instant noodles. Oh, Jesus, that cheese is so white.
He slices up a bunch of those discs, throws everything into the noodles, pours water over it, mixes it with chopsticks. Keyword, chopsticks.
And now he has something like ramen, but a bit different. Let's try it and see if it's good. Did you notice in those videos, you can't do it our way anymore because it's outdated?
That's how old guys do it. No, they always do it like that.
So I'm opening the top. I think you just have to throw the noodles in like this. Okay, so while I'm at it, I'll cut the pepper. It was supposed to be finely chopped, so I'll cut it a bit more. 8 slices.
Oh damn, this is the spicy soup. It's hot. Ah no, but it's spicy. Okay, let's make the curry one because soon no one will know about it.
Listen, the dry spices go in first, but it doesn't really matter anymore. We've got it, so go ahead. Will it fit?
I'm putting it here and I want to heat the water just right. Okay, what was next? The spices?
Damn, I don't have chopsticks. I would have stirred with chopsticks.
All right then, my friends, let's go, but we don't know how much to pour. Because of that, well, I guess we'll pour up to the line so it sits right. Okay, is that how it's supposed to turn out?
Mac and cheese in a Vietnamese version. Hey, I think this is gonna be really awesome, guys. We'll be back in about 3 minutes. Oh, wow. I remember that the clamp looks cool here, but man, after that portion, wow, my mouth is watering. It's so delicious. But water, get some water, thanks.
Hey, it's milky, cheesy, but also kind of spicy like in a game, but I feel like there's a hint of mushrooms coming through.
But that pepper really did its job. When it hit in that row, damn. Oh man, it's so cheesy, really cheesy. Hey, it's delicious. Man, the guys are gonna lose it. Pretty much issue, there's not much left because Artsy and I were greedy. Hey.
Wow, oh bread, Jesus Christ, this is Chinese, but a delicious soup. It's a soup from Chinese, from the tire, from,
But you made me eat one like that? How do I rate it? For me, Weichel, it's delicious. For me, you, that's Inkrishi. 8.5, let's move to the next one. That was brilliant, we've confirmed the quality. You can go ahead. We're arranging the cheese, did you see? 2 colors, we take the bacon, wrap it around. I'm sure most of you guessed it, that's what I think.
Pepper, salt, flour, split egg, panko, and into deep oil. Oh Jesus, we'll see. The clamp is good, so I'll do it this way. I'll peel this and you heat the oil. It'll be fine, I think.
Well, I'd really like to open this bacon because I have to try the first slice. Well, it smells nice. Okay, let's play it to the end. 2 packs, yes, 2. I think that's the minimum. Go ahead, but the cheese will go to waste. I mean, it'll go into the soup. Jesus, what a chunk of cheese. Come on, that's a bite, man. Well, let me move it. Oh, man, Archie. Whoa, man, this is next level stuff. Hey, it's good, Archie. I'm telling you, look. We put it in and we season it, we salt it. We won't overdo it because no, it'll be salty. Archie, it's already salty, but I'll add a little, just a touch. And here, panko, Archie, well, inside, no, of course. Flour, egg, and panko. I have it in so deep. There's no set time usually. Yeah, you have to keep an eye on it as usual.
Whoa.
It smells beautiful, you know, but oh, it didn't stick. That's good. Oh, damn. A little bit more.
Jesus, wait, keep waiting, keep watching Frying Stinker. Do you think it melted? I think for sure.
Oh, Jesus, what a donut. And this is bacon. No, no, that's not donut. That's donate. I suggest... I'll cut at least this piece here. Oh, but it smells like bacon. I can't cut like that, Jesus. It's definitely bacon. No, really.
Oh, damn, like an egg. Oh, me like an egg. Watch out. Egg on wine. Oh, man. Oh, there it is, bacon. A little more.
It's going to spill. Don't give it. A bite. Wait, hold it. Yes. Oh, my holy samureto.
Damn. This is sudden. Well, yeah, it's arteriosclerosis, a heart attack, everything in one.
I think I'm already cleaning up because we don't know enough. No, oh, it's spilling down. Ah, it's spilling. Oh no, so now, now it's really heavy cooking. Yes, yes, yes.
This is already over the top. This is for TikTok. It's not for eating. People die from this. Seriously, I mean, I see it like this. Oh, I see here that this is what you get. You go, just like Sushi said, for a beer, and then you go play Fédération Internationale de Football Association. That's okay, right? But don't push it like that. That's kind of rude. And I would like, besides our opinion, to also have a replay of Kuzishu's reaction. When I was cleaning up recently, even though I get off at 4, but listen, the guy did it like, you want it? No, 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 no. Damn, I'll be honest with you, I really liked it. Me too. I give it a solid 7.5, maybe even a strong 8. A strong 8, but it's a bit of a different style, but overall it was delicious. It's cool. I think I can't wait. I'll invite you for a legit dessert. What do you say about that dessert? Well, you after you too, all right, but this one will be healthy. I've already prepared everything because I know the recipe by heart. 300 ml of water gelatin, very simple, pachu pachu. We mix a bit until it cools down. We take a blender, Greek yogurt, very simple. We pour in our gelatin, chocolate, let's skip it, cocoa, sweetener. We'll add, chocolate protein powder. We'll blend it. Oh my God, it's already starting to set. 300 ml of water, then gelatin. Beautiful, man. Oh, good gelatin. Here you go.
And mix quickly. Oh, like jelly, 200 g of Greek yogurt. Then we'll add sweetener and cocoa.
You know what, Arthur? I just thought that since he added chocolate, we can't not add chocolate and say something.
Since we're recreating this recipe and adding the chocolate as he wanted, I'll also add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor.
Do you remember our grandma's tricks? All right, now we can pour it in. I think that's how we pour it. There we go. Then add the egg whites properly, and I'll take the chocolate one. This is 20 grams. I'll give us 30. Why not? Let's go for it. Let's go all in. All right, we've got it, man. And now comes the worst part. Arthur, 2 hours in the fridge. A few moments later. Ooh, nice. Look, oh, damn, so much pudding. But now, buddy, yeah, I know what.
Look, what nice little tubes.
I promised you a legal dessert. Look how it's set. Oh, damn, man. I'm used to those black puddings, the ones that are more runny. Made with milk, sweeter, because it's with milk. But here, I miss the sugar. Yeah, but I'm not complaining. I can taste a bit of tartness from the Greek yogurt. Just a little more erythritol would be enough. See, when I miss sweetness like I always do, you mention some kind of jam or some kind of jelly. All right, but listen, chocolate with cherries, we'll be taking some of that. Well, look, maybe listen, but it's important. Damn, there's a lot of protein here. Just so you know, this is a protein dessert. Yeah, protein, whey protein concentrate chocolate, 0 Greek yogurt, and water with gelatin. That's it, damn, delicious. Oh. Yeah, that's what was missing. Oh, and this cherry goes so well with the chocolate.
You need to add, hey, raspberries, blueberries, whatever you have, right? Oh, wait, don't eat yet.
No, I don't have a banana. Sorry, something else. Oh, that's the idea, but here's a banana, but cherry. I mean, cherry for me, but honestly, it's different, not like that.
I don't make decisions here, and didn't know there was a banana.
For example, the first thing, adding one or the other completely changes this dessert. It already gets a 6 on its own, just as a different form.
You don't need to drink egg whites. You can eat them if you're dieting and feel like you're missing out. I'm impressed. It's really cool and awesome, honestly, but everything fits, gentlemen. However, TikTok isn't lying in this episode.
Come on, God, I'm thirsty or hungry. What do you have?
A viral Jesus video. I really dislike it. Well, but 30 million views. Okay, so a little cucumber, a little hole. I can't hollow it out like that. You give up, snip, snip. I'm not doing it. Snip, snip, so I'll do it. No, I can't handle this. I'll cut it 6 times.
All right, let's start with the smaller one. We'll make a sample. Is that what you found?
Here you go. Calm down, calm down. You're getting so worked up. What's next, Archie? Do you have salmon and is the surimi in the fridge?
All right, it's good that you're making your own version, Kramer, because sticking those little sticks in is pointless. All right, ma'am. First you put the rice here. Oh, damn, this is gonna be an adventure. Will it fit in the hole? Well, let's see. There might be problems. I don't know how the salmon is going to fit in there, but if I squeeze it in, it'll be sushi. Janusz sushi. Ha 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 ha. Hut hut. Hey, live fish.
The lady did it. She put the rice in first, and I see that's a problem. You should put the fillings in first like this, and only then add the rice.
That's why I'm trying it this way, and it's good. I've already got it under control with the back of my thumb so the ingredients don't spill out, and you press, and I'm pressing.
Kubush smiled. Look at this, damn. Look how beautiful yours are. So pretty. I think they're great. Look how nice it looks. Nice, very nice. I mixed them, as you can see. Some are too thick, others too thin, but you just need to get used to it and pick what you want. This one is probably too thin. That's enough to record, yeah.
We're testing viral recipes from TikTok. If you don't like it, you don't like it. If you like it, you like it. I don't like sushi, but I really like this presentation. It's nice. We're testing this one, and I made the other on the side. You know, I don't feel any difference between sushi and this sushi, but I'll tell you one thing. It does change. I'm talking about the sauce, the soy sauce. Yes, it changes everything.
Not wasabi at all. Not for me. Not for me. Because for me, it's better. Oh God, try it with the green paste.
I won't do it with pesto, but I would definitely prefer this sushi because I don't like sushi, and this is something I didn't know. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, do you like pesto? Huh? You have to. Pesto. Oh, here you go. It's strong. And let's see these as they are. You know what?
Oh, then you have to even more, yes.
But it's definitely better to make it milder. This crust is really crunchy. Primož, no?
Well, of all people, not inviting a sushi fan, that's, well, actually, I'm not bragging. There's nothing sushi related here. This is cucumber, not sushi, but it does smell like fish.
Well, the inside is similar. That's why I made a second version, so you could try it. But you made it with Almaty cheese?
Try mixing it with this leaf. Properly, no.
No, this is much better. You see, yes, it's on the internet. Yes, it's better, but it's even this. Your idea was, by the way, so you could just do it at home.
But it's cool that we made two versions. Version number 2 is easier to make, maybe even a bit nicer.
Not everything that looks nice and seems easy to make.
But everything vanished. That's a good suggestion.
Let's move on to the next one.
Hey, the boss just went to grab some coffee, lazy guy. Yesterday's mug. Coffee from here. That's ecology. Come on, give me the phone.
The so-called Feta rocket. Tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, salt, or whatever that is. Boom, feta, spices, olive oil, such good stuff, but it's going to be delicious. But we're making a mini version, right? So what? Tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, 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 garlic. Oh my God, how many views do you have, ma'am? 22 million, damn, what numbers? Oh wow, that's impressive. Cuba. Starch, organic corn, contact with nature, at least 1 kilo of trimiga. Oh my God.
While the pasta is cooking in the meantime, add salt, pepper, and let's get started.
She added a lot of pepper, but she didn't salt it, and I saw that. Unfortunately, or fortunately, she poured it pretty heavily.
We have the oven set to 180 degrees as standard.
We'll see what happens here.
All right, listen, because this is also very important.
You pushed it in there on purpose, Jesus. How deep, but you can't pull it out because it can be taken out. Oh God, what a fool.
We already have the garlic chopped here.
This one is delicious. More garlic, more that parsley. Yeah, damn, that olive really makes it too, but I'm afraid of tomato skins. I don't know why. All right, go ahead and try it. Oh, damn, that garlic really did its job. Yeah, but let's do it like this. Oh, and I think that's it. Oh, Jesus, this is top. Claimer isn't here. Don't overdo it with the pasta. No, because someone will say you guys get excited about every recipe. Yeah, but it's different when you can feel everything. The smells, when you try it, it needs to cool. The sauce brought it all together. It just worked.
The feta sauce is a really good recipe in my opinion. Primož, Krzysiu, damn, what a good dinner, Archie.
He's thinking he doesn't even know whether to consider it good or not. Hey, he's acting a bit crazy, damn, maybe, and now it's too much. Maybe it's hard to figure this guy out. It looks good, it looks buttery. Oh Jesus, it's delicious, but now it's picking up speed. The lemon is drifting. I'm not sure if it's too strong, no.
It's nice because you taste the sourness even without lemon or flour.
I think they're messing with you here.
Honestly, these peels really annoy me.
No, it's not that heavy, I think. No, it's refreshing. Always with pasta. I'm afraid that the first bite is amazing, but every next one is also like that. It brings in that heavy element.
To say what's going on here, the viral recipe is approved because it's really good. When it's after,
In Italian, it's like prego. Okay, see?
You say si, and you know 4 languages, si. It's in Italian, si rople, si rople.
Accepto.